today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go about resetting the slide layout on Microsoft PowerPoint if you've inadvertently changed it to something that you do not find desirable. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up PowerPoint, select the Home tab, and then at the top right underneath or right next to New Slide, there should be a button that says Reset. Go ahead and select that. So basically that will just go about resetting the position, size, and formatting of the slide placeholders to their default settings. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.